Hi, this is now just gonna be like a thing that I do every time p1harmony does a comeback. So last comeback, which was my first ever actual comeback as like a p1harmony fan, a piece if you must, but I cannot call myself that. I don't think I'm there yet. I still need to learn a lot of stuff. My first ever, like, I became a fan during the Killing It era, but my first comeback was Sad Song. This is my second one, and last time I went to Target and did a little vlog, so we're gonna do that now, but with a new camera. I've been super busy. This came out Friday at Target. It's Sunday. I haven't had time to go, and I literally was panicking right now. I almost left my camera. I said I was gonna do my makeup, and I decided against it because I don't have time and I have a lot of other things to do. So let's just go to Target. I'm gonna go get a coffee though because I'm dying before. Let's go. I have 33% and I did not bring the batteries. Hi, we're driving to Target now. I don't have like a plan of what I'm getting yet. I checked last night and there was like 2 compacts. I decided to not check tonight just because if I get there and there are like compacts, I'll get whoever member, but I don't know if I'm getting one album or if I'm getting more. I also was gonna get coffee. I told you guys I was gonna get coffee and then I decided against it. So I'm gonna go get food and coffee over here somewhere. I don't know where though. Follow me, are you ready? Hi, so as I mentioned, I didn't have like anything to eat today. I went to El Pollo Loco and I ordered this thing called a fit bowl. Target is right there, like I see it. I'm just parked eating before I go in because I am hungry. My plan is to go into Target and get the album. I'm also planning on getting like other non-K-pop stuff, but the vlog is for the album. I don't even remember the photo cards. I haven't looked them up. Friends have sent me some. Clearly, I want like the gold version. I've never been able to pull one from the 2 comebacks that I've been a part of, but the gold one is the goal. I really like the Seoul Target version. I have to say that like I think Seoul ate this comeback. Like the music video, I was gagged. I also think that every time I hear a p1harmony song, I'm like, this is so p1harmony, and that's incredible. Forgot it's Mother's Day weekend, but walking to Target now. I'll get a cart. Oh, there's a bunch. Okay, we're getting this. Duh. It's kind of cool. I don't even know what the photo cards look like. But this one, I think I'll get this one. See, I was only coming for one, now we're getting 2. Yeah, wait, they have more stuff. I didn't even know. There was someone else looking, and I panicked and I left as soon as I said, wait, there's more. So, okay, I'm gonna go run errands, and I'll meet you back in the car. Reparked where I was parking before, sorry. I'm gonna clip this on. I hope you can hear me. If not, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. But, oh, as you saw on the very short clip that I was able to take inside because I cannot film inside, I ended up getting this one and the compact. They did have the Jiyoung version, never before seen for me. I never found him like anywhere I went. So this was the time. I'm feeling the vibes. See, this time around, I don't really know what the photo cards look like. I did look them up, but I don't remember. I do know that the Target version and the gold version are essentially the same. The thing is that one is holographic and the other one isn't. Obviously, I want a gold version. That would be like the ultimate goal. It's not like last comeback where it was like the sweets version when they were holding like I think Jung was holding like a cookie, and then the gold version was holding a star. So at least there was variety. This time it's just holographic. They said, here, damn. And whatever, I still eat it up. We're gonna open this one and hope for the best. What am I hoping for? See, I don't know, because you know who my bias is, and my bias tracker is Theo, who, by the way, this hair, but I did say I think Soul's Target version is my favorite. The thing about going in blind is I don't know where the photo cards are, so I have to assume, are they in here? Yeah, they're gonna be in here. So now we can look at the album more. First page in. Now let's talk. See, oh, they were not. I lied. They were not there. They were somewhere else. Oh my god, I'm not looking. Hold on. Where the fuck are they? Oh, I saw what I pulled. I'm sorry. This is not. It's not the gold version, but period. I think this is my first time pulling a selfie photo card of him. I was literally about to say I've never pulled Theo. This is the sky version now because they fell. Y'all. Anyways, Target exclusives loose and the rest are like inside there, I'm guessing, because I don't see anything else. That was a scare. That was not fair. I wanted to do it like surprisingly, but I thought that the Jungsub concept pics were the best. I think he did a really good job posing. Now this hair, period. This is the one I thought. I was like, yes, eat. See this cutie. The CD is silly. Okay. Oh shit. I don't even know what I'm. This is a photo card. I just don't know if it's like correct. I'm gonna do this and this. I've never pulled him. I literally say I've never pulled him, and I've bought like I think 3 albums, and I've pulled Soul, Jungsub. Oh no, I've pulled him. I lied. I just didn't remember. It's just the hair, I think, because it's blue. I was like, I've never pulled him. No, you've pulled him before. Fuck. Is this correct? I hope. Is this correct? I don't know. I literally cannot tell. Oh! Okay, the makeup, kind of crazy. These are crazy pulls right here. This collection. I also got the soul stick. I'm sorry. This is so fucking funny to me. The tongues of like film strip. Oh, there's more. Hold on. This is not. Oh! The unit photo card. I love that they do the back like this. It's so silly. Just because you buy like a member specific album doesn't mean you're gonna get like member specific photo cards. You do get member specific inclusions, if I'm not wrong. Like a poster, at least that's what it was like with the last compact. It was like member like specific photo book and like poster and stuff, but the photo cards are random still, which I think it's still really cool. Oh, Oh, it's like, I see photo cards. I just don't know what if they're like the Target or like, I don't even know what I'm doing. What should I do? Should I just show these to you? Because I don't think I can like not look at them. So this is one. I think since it's like bent towards, I'm showing you the front. I don't know if it's like upwards. He loves me. Not the duplicate. I do love this photo card though. Can you? That's so adorable to be. Okay, eat. Now, this might be a duplicate then, but I'm not sure. It's the sky version then. I told you, I don't know what these photo cards look like. Only tails, I guess. Oh, I didn't even... I'm sorry. This is too funny. He loves me. That's the conclusion we can come up with. I think these are really good photo cards. I will be trading them though because I have dupes. Sadly, again, we did not pull a gold version. Now, there's like this. I'm guessing photo cards are in here. Saw the blue hair. I know it's in talk. I just don't know what the photo card looks like. So I'm going to react to what the photo card looks like. I also... Is there just one photo card or are they more? Are there more? I don't know. I literally don't know. I feel something, but I don't know what it is. Okay, I'll show you the photo card. I think this is the photo card. I hope I'm showing it to you. Oh, he looks good. Naomi's biases are Kehoe and Inta. That's her bias line. So I'm like, oh, there's... Let's recap what I've pulled. 2 in-talk photo cards. This is the digipack. This is the pink version. I also pulled 4 Teo exclusive photo cards, which are the Sky, which is the US exclusive, and the... I don't know what it's called. Just the regular Target exclusive. I also pulled 1 Kehoe for photo card, and I also pulled the unit for Jungsob and Intak. Wait, I'll show you up close. Oh shit. So yeah, those are today's pulls and probably the rest of the pulls for this comeback because I cannot justify spending more. But yeah, one day you will see these vlogs and be like, oh, she pulled the gold version. It's time to go though, and I love this p1harmony comeback. They're coming to KCON, but I don't know if I'll be able to go because again, I have to drive like 4 hours to KCON and money is tight right now, but I'm like thinking about it because it's like a lot of people that I like are going, but I've never seen p1harmony live, so I'm like, ah. But then again, money wise, it's not a smart choice, but also it's like, but if they go on tour, I'm like, should I go? I do want to see them with Naomi though. See, this is the struggle of having like oomphs that don't live near you. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this content as much as I do because I really do love pulling photo cards from albums, even if the way I collect is very specific. I'll show you my collection in for like future video of how I collect. So yeah, bye.